In the last video, we talked about what a robot is. We saw that the robots have an intelligent connection between perception and action, which was explained with help of an example. For more details, you can take a look at my last video. The link will be shared in the description box. In this video, we will be talking about different components of a robot. So let's get started. We have already talked about how the concept of robots started from fiction, wherein the robots used to look like humans. So it is really safe to say that the concept of robots came from replicating humans. So to understand the components of a robot, let us take an example of human body and try to fit correlations between a human body and a robot. Let us understand how a human body is made up of. Actually, there are around 10 different systems which help in proper functioning of a body. These systems are a collection of different organs which are used to perform a particular task. Out of all these systems, there are only skeletal, muscular, cardiovascular, and nervous or sensory system that can be incorporated in a robot and are actually required by the robot. Now, let us see how all these systems can be incorporated in a robot. The skeletal system. This system consists of bones which are connected via joints. They give structure to our body, protects our internal organs, and helps in providing motion to our body. Similarly, in case of robots, usually the bones are replaced with different links which are connected via joints, which further give structure to the robot, protects different circuits present inside the robot, and allows its motion. Muscular system. The muscular system along with skeletal system help in moving any body parts. These muscles expand and contract, thereby help in movement of the body parts. It also helps in working of other body organs. In case of robots, the same action is performed by the actuators. They help in moving different parts of the robot body. Cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system delivers blood to different parts of the body via arteries. They transport oxygen and nutrients and hence provide energy to the body. So when you're walking, the heart continuously pumps blood to the muscles of your leg, and this helps your muscle in expanding and contracting, thereby resulting in motion of your body. Similarly, in the robots, the energy to different components of the robot is provided by a power source. Wires are used to transfer energy from the power source to the actuator. This helps in movement of the actuator and thereby resulting motion of the robot. Nervous or sensory systems. The nervous or sensory systems include brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain provides signal to different parts of the body via nerves. The sensory system of humans also include eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These sense organs help us to perceive the environment around us. Eyes are the visual sensory organs. Ears are the auditory sense organs. The nose is an olfactory organ which helps us in perceiving different smell. Tongue helps us in perceiving taste and flavors. Skin, which is one of the largest organ of the body, is related to the sense of touch. Out of these senses, eyes, ear, and skin are the ones which can be incorporated in the robot via different electronic sensors. Let us take an example to understand the working of this system. Let's say you were running in a park. As soon as you were about to reach your destination, you saw a rock in front of you. What do? You actually move away from the rock and then move forward. So what happens here is that your eyes inform your brain that there is an obstacle or a rock in front of it. The brain then processes this information and guides your leg to move in such a way that you do not crash into the obstacle. In case of robots, similar system can be incorporated with help of processors and sensors. The sensor takes the information from the surrounding and sends this information regarding the obstacle to the processor. The processor then decides what action to be taken and send this information to the joints of the robot. Let us consider the game of cricket. Let's say you are the batsman and the bowler threw the ball towards you. As soon as the ball comes near you, what is the action you're going to take? You will quickly try and hit the ball. So what happens here? As soon as the ball comes near you, your eyes sends this information to your brain. Your brain then decides what action to be taken. Your brain asks your hand to flick it so that it can hit the ball. Now let's say that instead of you, a robot is playing the game. So as soon as the bowler sends the ball towards the robot's sensors gets the information regarding the position of the ball. This information is further sent to the processor of the robot, which acts as a brain here, and it decides what action to be taken. The processor then sends the information to the actuator present on the robot's hand to move it in such a way that the bat hits the ball. Hence, with these examples, I have tried to show different components of a robot and how roboticists have taken inspiration from real-life organisms or natural processes to develop a robot. With that, I would like to thank everyone for watching our video. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on robotics.